Ito naman, there were may mga times sa lopsided yung sets, but yung last two sets, grabe yung grabe yung palitan ng bola dahil sobrang haba ng rally. So we're very lucky na nakapitan namin yung last two sets na yan. So very happy rin na gumalaw na maayos yung players din.
Marian, ikaw nakadash 2 points ka today, tapos ikaw pa nag-deliver ng final score for Petrogas. Ano lang, yung pinag-uusapan niya kayo ng fourth set na grabe talaga yung habulan ng points.
Ano na-feel ko?
Ayun.
Siyempre, masaya and medyo overwhelming kasi yun nga, parang tapos na dapat, tapos nag-extend pa. Pero medyo hindi rin kasi binigay ng madali sa amin ng Akari. So, kaya overwhelming siya. Pero mostly masaya. So, ayun, may chance pa sa semis. So, yeah.
Coach, after that second set, kasi you guys started out slow nung second set, what was the huddle like at the end of that second set? And paano kayo naka-recover in that third set?
Siguro remind ko lang naman sila kung ano talaga yung kung ano yung mga bagay na nagawa namin na maayos during that second set. Kasi given that we were down like 7, 8 points in the start, but kita naman medyo tumikit kami in the middle part of the set, medyo nakaka-2-1 kami, nakadalawa. We had certain surges ng mga points then. So ibig sabihin, kaya naman natin gumawa ng focus. It's just that yung simula lang talaga medyo nahirapan tayo. So we shouldn't allow that to happen again. Na simula pa lang, may iwan ng agad tayo. So ayun, medyo nag-gets naman nila kasi naiintindihan din nila, nakita rin nila na gano'n nga yung situation. So buti nag-respond sila going to the third and fourth set.
Marian, at one point, you guys were up to the fourth set 24-19 and then dun nga nag-run yung Akari to start that back-to-back run between you two. How did you guys stay composed lang until the end? Lalo na nung nag-init pa si Tintin at the middle of that rally.
We stuck to the game plan and yun nga, sabi ko kanina, ginagawa na Akari yung yung trabaho nila, hindi naman binigay lang sa akin. So, yung mindset lang namin is mag-stick kami sa game plan, tapos mag-a-adjust kami from there.
Coach, what can you say lang dun sa naging performance ni Marian today, considering na crucial yung game nyo ngayong araw?
Well, alam naman namin na as a team naman, alam naman namin kung ano yung role ng bawat isa. And Marian knows also her role sa team. So, minsan ginagawa namin siyang opposite, minsan ginagawa namin siyang middle. But yun nga, I'm very happy na in-embrace niya yung role na yun. Kahit minsan alam niya na for sure, kasi frustrating yan. Kasi hindi mo alam parang kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa akin. But then, very thankful kasi in-embrace niya yung role niya na yun. And pag binibigyan siya ng chance na maglaro, pinapakita naman niya na kaya niyang gampanan yung mga roles na binibigyan sa akin. Yeah.
Coach, on the other end of the court naman po, with regards to Dindim Santiago Manabat's performance, what can you say about her resiliency to keep Akari alive and parang binigyan pa talaga kayo ng hard job, especially in that fourth set?
Well, I have to give it to her kasi talagang alam naman namin, alam natin lahat na si Dindy talaga yung go-to girl ng Akari na team. So talagang kahit gaano kapangit yung bola, binibigay sa kanya. So we really try to manage yung mga points niya, yung pinorse namin siya pumunta kung saan gusto namin siya papuntahin. And we're lucky enough na medyo nagkataon nga na gano'n nga, minsan napupunta naman, nakukuha naman namin. It's just that, yun nga, mas marami lang times na napapatayan kami dito. But then again, buti na contain namin siya during the start pa lang ng set.
Prior to this game, was she your central point na kagad when you said, prior to this game, was she your central point na kagad ng game plan to contain her?
Of course, kasi alam naman na most of the attacks, siya load yung sets, lahat talaga napupunta kay Dindy. So, naman talaga siya, parang well-studied and guarded talaga. And inaarap talaga namin mabuti kung ano yung mga tendencies ng Dindy.
Ito siguro, Marian, dun sa sinabi ni Coach kanina na minsan di mo alam kung opposite ka ba ilalaro or as middle blocker. Paano mo lang din na-handle yung gano'n na hindi mo sure kung ano gagawin mo?
Ever since naman sa college, yun na din talaga yung role ko. Minsan open, minsan opposite, minsan middle. So, hindi naman ako ilalagay nila coach doon kung hindi sila nagtitiwala sa akin. And para sa akin kasi, mindset ko every training, wag kong kakalimutan, kunwari opposite ako ngayon or middle ako ngayon, wag kong kakalimutan na may chances na pwede akong mag-middle. So, laging ready lang.
Coach, December 5 pa po yung next game ninyo against PLDT. So, what are your plans on your break and paano nyo po paghahandaan yung PLDT?
Of course, again, we'll focus first on how we're going to address yung mga problems namin sa team, sa mga laro namin, yung mga lapses namin. So we have to fix that. And then, of course, kailangan namin pag-aralan din yung laro ng PLDT. So, siguro yun lang yun, preparation lang, more on core movement namin sa loob, and then of course kung paano rin maglaro yung game.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.